Howdy do guys, I am Precious for AskIfa.ng and welcome to my unboxing and review of the Tecno Spark 5, which is Tecno's latest budget phone. For a budget phone that comes at an affordable price of 49,000 Naira, Tecno has once again proven that what is worth doing is worth doing well. Now why not let's get our hands on the content of the box already. Comes in such a fancy two-tone box. It also has a warranty card in it of 12 plus 1 month as usual, and it comes with a silicone jacket which is really flexible, and it also includes the other primary stuff. Now that we've perused the content of the box, let's delve into the phone's specifications. For a budget phone, the device looks really sleek and fashionable in its ice jadeite color. But if I were to spot it from a distance, I'll be able to tell it's a Tecno phone because their designs have been pretty similar lately. But on the contrary, the rear camera's quad look, which houses a 13MP main sensor, 18MP macro lens, 2MP depth camera, QVGA camera for low lights, and of course the flash, gives it such a distinctive perk and it's appealing. On lifting the device, I could tell it packs some tons, but it's no surprise because it's impossible to have a slim phone holding a 5000 mAh battery. The punch hole selfie cam also makes it stand out compared to the Spark 4 as they've dumped that old design. On the side of the phone is the power button, which looks completely striking because of the red color it comes in, and I think it's really cool and different. At the bottom, the device features a 3.5mm headphone jack, the speaker, the microphone, and the charging port. On the screen side, it sees a 83.7 screen to body ratio, 6.6-inch HD display. So now I'll power up the device so we can take a look at its other key specifications. The Spark 5 has a 2GB RAM and 32GB ROM, which is adequate for a budget phone. Let's play a game and then watch a video. Played with the camera a bit and I like the results it gave on both front and rear cameras. This is what the camera looks like outdoor, and I'm really rooting for it because wow, for a budget phone this looks really clear. I like what it is doing to my face, to my look. I mean, I have acne on my face, but I can't really see it. I'm not even using the beauty cam, so just imagine what that would look like. than this result because it's a budget phone, but regardless, they did an amazing job of offering more than one would expect. All in all, I think the Spark 5 is a smart buy for first-time users, people that want a backup phone, and even people looking for affordable phones with very decent feature. And Tecno has done an amazing job of offering that. Now let me know what you think about this device, because on my end, I'm impressed, but we don't want this to be a one-sided conversation, so talk to me. Thank you guys for watching. Stay safe.